Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here a question that is called reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Yesterday we take the question here, the oxidation of aldehyde and ketone. Today we discuss here the reductions of aldehyde and ketones. You know that reduction is the addition of hydrogen. So any chemical reaction we added a hydrogen, so it is called as the what here? Reduction. Or any reaction with the addition of the hydrogen is also called the what here? The hydrogenations. ये भी आपको याद रखना है बेटा, ठीक है? Now, what is the point reduction of aldehyde and ketone? So the reduction of aldehyde and ketone take place with the help of two name reaction. First is called as what here? The first name reaction, that is called as what here? So first topic we take here the name reaction, that is called as what here? Clemmensen. What here? Clemmensen reduction reactions. So first topic we take the what here? Clemmensen reduction reaction. The Clemmensen is the name of scientist. He give first the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. So it is called as Clemmensen reduction reaction. Now this question asked in examination 2 marks. It is a very important question. What is the Clemmensen reduction reactions? So the Clemmensen reduction is will be explained that first we write the explanation, then next we write the what here? The chemical reaction. So in this reaction, when the aldehyde and ketone is react with a hydrogen in presence of a zinc amalgam and what here? The concentrated HCl, we get a alkane or member of alkane or methylene. It is called as a Clemmensen reduction reaction. Now we take the example here. So when the aldehyde, especially we take the example of the aldehyde, R single bond CHO aldehyde, or it's also take the what here? The C double bond O group, because the CO group is called the what here? Carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon is common in the aldehyde and ketone. आपको पता है बेटा कि CO group जो है वो aldehyde में भी है और ketone में भी है, तो यहाँ पे इसको रिएक्ट करेंगे कैसे बेटा? So when what here? Aldehyde or ketones, aldehyde or ketones, okay, और क्या लेंगे इसका नेम बेटा? Ketones. So when the aldehyde and ketone is react with what here? The hydrogen. So we added a 4 hydrogen in presence of ZnHg. This ZnHg is called what as zinc amalgam, and in presence of concentrated HCl called as the what here? Hydrochloric acid. What we get in this reaction? 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen we goes as byproduct H2O molecule. Remaining part, these 2 hydrogen are bond to carbon. So what we get? We get a CH2 plus loss of water molecule. This CH2 is called as what here? The methylene. What here? Methylene. Clear है बेटा? और member of the alkane. ठीक है? Now we take the example here. Example number first we take here. Example number second. So in example number second we take the acetaldehyde. So when the CH3COH called as what here beta? Acetaldehyde is react with the 4 hydrogen in presence of what here? Zinc amalgam called as ZnHg and concentrated HCl. So what we get? So this 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen will go there what here? H2O, remaining 2H added to C. So what we get here? CH3 as it is. This C also as it is. This is 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 1 plus 2, 3 hydrogen, CH3 plus loss of water molecule. Now, how many carbon in the given compound? 2 carbon. It is a member of the what here? Alkane. How many carbon? 2 carbon called what here? Ethane. So, member of alkane called as ethane. Now, we take the example number third. When the ketones, especially acetone, CH3COCH3. So, when a ketone, especially the name of the special compound in which the 2 similar CH3 group attached to CO group, it is called as acetone. क्लियर बेटा? अगर CO ग्रुप से अगर CH3 सिमिलर है तो उसको स्पेशल नेम क्या बोलेंगे? एसीटोन बोलेंगे. इज रिएक्ट विद द 4 हाइड्रोजन एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ व्हाट हियर? सेम जिंक amalgam or zinc what here? Hg mercury in presence of the concentrated HCl. So what we get? 2 hydrogen are bond to the oxygen, we get a byproduct H2O, remaining 2 H2 what here? C. So what we get? CH3 as it is C, and this remaining 2 H will be goes as CH2, and as CH3 as it is what we get here? How many carbon? 3 carbon is called as what here? Propane. So in this way, when the reduction of aldehyde and ketone take place with the help of Clemmensen reduction reaction, we get always the member of the alkane called methylene or depend upon the carbon. 1 carbon methylene, 2 carbon called ethane, and 3 carbon called what is propane. Okay. Now we take the second same name reaction. Number 2 name reaction. It is called as the what here? So it is called as the Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Wolff-Kishner reduction reactions. What is the Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction? So we take the question here. Okay, what is the Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction? So the Wolff or Kishner is the name of scientist. He give reaction called as the Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. So in this reaction, when similarly the carbonyl carbon called as aldehyde and ketone is react with what here? The hydrazine H2N NH2, or also write as NH2 single bond NH2 called as what here? Hydrazine. It is called what here? Aldehyde or ketone. So on reduction of aldehyde and ketone with a hydrazine, so what we get? First we get here this H2O, and this O will be lost as water molecule. Now we get a C, okay, double bond, okay, C double bond, और इसको आप लिखिए बेटा इस तरीके से, और क्या C डबल बॉन्ड O भी लिखिए तो चलेगा बेटा. तो यहाँ से H2O लॉस किया. So what we get? We get a C double bond O attached to NH2. It is called as what here? Hydrazone. Clear है बेटा? Now this hydrazone further on rearrangement and loss of the N2 molecule nitrogen gas in presence of what here? The KOH and the ethylene glycol OH2 CH2OH. So in this NH2 loss, N2 loss, remaining H2 attached to the carbon. So what we get? We get here the CH2, clear, plus what here? N2 gas called as nitrogen gas. This CH2 is called as what here? Methylene. Clear है बेटा? Example number first we take here 2. We take the example number first, second. When the acetaldehyde CH3CH double bond O is react with the hydrazine H2N NH2 in presence of heat, what we get? Loss of water molecule and nitrogen are joined to the carbon. So what we get here? CH3CH double bond N NH2 and loss of water molecule. It is called as what here beta? Hydrazine. On further rearrangement and loss of the nitrogen gas N2 gas. Clear है बेटा? So what we get? This OH, this CH2, this CH2 and this OH as a what here? Presence of as a catalyst. So what we get? Loss of N2 gas, H2 attached to carbon. So this this hydrogen plus 1. So how many CH3? One CH3 and second CH3, and loss of N2 gas called as what here? Number of alkene called as ethane. How many carbon? 2 carbon. Now these 3 example number 3 ये आपको सॉल्व करना है बेटा, और आपको सॉल्व करने के बाद मेरे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करना है आपको, ठीक है? ओके. सो व्हेन एसीटोन CH3C double bond O CH3, it is called what here? Acetone. On reduction take place with the help of hydrazine. Now what we get a product? ये आपको सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है? Acetone, it is called what here बेटा? The hydrazine. Okay. So when acetone is react with the hydrazine, so what we get? So we get a same here loss of the water molecule to form the hydrazone. ये आपको सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है? इस तरीके से हमने क्या देखा बेटा आज? We get here reduction of aldehyde and ketones. So reduction of aldehyde and ketones in which when first we take the Clemmensen reduction reaction and second we take the what here? Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Both are same in which the always product is alkane or methylene depend upon the carbon, but the method is different. in this reaction directly aldehyde and ketone on addition of hydrogen we get a what here, methylene or alkane, whereas in the Wolff-Kishner reaction it give a two-step product. First, when the aldehyde and ketone is reactive with what here, the hydrazine, we get a hydrazone in a first step. In a second step, hydrazone on rearrange and loss of the N2 gas called as nitrogen gas. Clear? This, and what we get, the methylene member of alkane. Similarly, acetaldehyde also give what here, the ethane, and next third ये आपको सॉल्व करनी है एकदम, ठीक है. एसीटोन ऑन हाइड्रोजन व्हाट वी गेट अ प्रोडक्ट. ओके, इस तरीके से बेटा हमारा यहाँ पर लास्ट रिएक्शन बाकी है. उसके बाद केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन यहाँ पर फिनिश होगा. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बोथ क्लेमेंसन एज वेल एज द व्हाट हियर, द वुल्फ-किश्नर रिडक्शन reactions. Okay, thank you so much.